2 hot formatting tricks. 1. Let me show you how these custom formatting tricks to hide the values works. Select your cells, right-click Format Cells, go to Custom in the box, type in 3 semicolon enter, and your values are hidden from view. I can see it in the formula bar, but I can't see it on the Excel grid. 2. Instantly scale your values. You want to show these numbers in millions or thousands. Select them, go to Custom Number Formatting. You can use the shortcut key Control 1 as well. Then go to Custom. Select the third option here. So the one with the 1000 separator at the end. Type in the same symbol that you see here. So for me it's a comma. When I type it once, my numbers are in thousand, and if I put another comma, it will show in millions. Now I'm going to go with thousands, and in quotes type a capital K to show that these are in thousands. Now when I press enter, look at this. The value in the cell is the full number, but on my grid, I see it in thousands. That's it for today.